Today I will be explaining the conduct calendar found in your child's Thursday folder. This monthly calendar shows the behavior expectations that your child displayed in class. Your child's homeroom teacher will give a weekly update of their behavior choices. Friday of the previous week to Wednesday of the current week will be recorded. If the day has a smiley face, your child was making safe, respectful, and responsible choices. If there is a number written, it matches with the numbers at the bottom of the page. Each number correlates to an expectation. It shows that that expectation was not consistently met. On the right, there is a column where you as a parent will initial. There is also space for you to write comments. This calendar will be used each month in your child's Thursday folder. Please be sure to return your folder on Friday.